So guys, hi. Handsome, why you keep hiding? Handsome. Oh, Kira.
I don't have my makeup on, okay?
Kira. Handsome is up. Hi, baby. Hi, guys. Get a good sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna go walk here. Ziggy's up na. Hey. Relax.
Relax, okay? What you have now, buddy?
Alright, so we're just gonna go here and walk and check. Or there's a lot of people on the other side though. I'm just gonna be here less. Alright, let's go.
Can I have a root beer from back there?
Hey guys, so we're here at the dam. Oh, look, it's on freeze. Hold on.
Mom, not the word that you said. Damn.
No, dam. That's
I
what
said
it's
dam.
called. Dam. That's the name of it.
Alright, so we're here and I'll take you outside, guys. So, and there's a lot of lock. There, that's all from there. Why I keep getting this green? I'm not trying to. There. From here to there.
To the very end.
Let's go and turn. And there, somebody keep licking my hand. Yeah. And that is
And it
there.
ain't me.
Okay, so from here. Wanna get up there? There. From it. Look at this, guys. This is name. Oh, I have name. Look, baby. Oh, Jen and Mary. Oh, okay. Cameron. Do it. Melvin and Angie. There's a lot. Yeah. There's more. Oh, this is big one. Look at it. Oh wow, look at this now. Oh, this is so cool. Big lock, baby. Oh, look at this one.
I thought you used one right there.
I know.
How could somebody put all this up?
Take a picture there.
갑자기
Sure.
내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가.
Web in this
Oh
look.
wow, this is a long time now. Let's go take a look.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the one that Dad had.
Oh. Yeah.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보.
Guys, there you go. So just wanting to say something. What is the lock mean? What is the lock mean? You told me something.
The lock means people are.
Look there. Look at them.
The lock means when people come by, it's a boy and a girl. They get their lock and then set it on there,
Okay.
and then that means they're locked together in a relationship forever.
Yeah.
That's what Dad told me.
He told me that. I was like, I'm surprised. Okay. So there you go, guys.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가